Welcome back to 7 of 9 Space News. Today, we've got an intriguing discovery to discuss, an object found at Jupiter's L4 Lagrange point. What was first assumed to be a typical Trojan asteroid has now turned out to be something much stranger. Could this be evidence of something artificial out in the vastness of space? Let's explore the details. Before we dive into the discovery itself, let's talk about where it was found, the L4 point of Jupiter's orbit. Lagrange points, named after mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange, are regions in space where the gravitational forces between two large celestial bodies, like the Sun and a planet, balance out. These points act as sweet spots, where objects can remain in a stable position relative to the larger bodies. Jupiter's L4 and L5 points are particularly interesting because they host swarms of objects known as Trojan asteroids. These asteroids have been orbiting in these stable zones for billions of years, and they're like cosmic time capsules from the early days of the solar system. Trojan asteroids are chunks of rock and metal that share Jupiter's orbit around the Sun. They're found at the L4 and L5 points, leading and trailing Jupiter as it moves through space. These asteroids are thought to be some of the oldest, most pristine objects in the solar system, making them a key focus for scientists studying the early solar system's formation. But recently, an anomaly was detected at Jupiter's L4 point, an object that doesn't behave like the rest of the Trojans. Earlier this year, while conducting a survey of the Trojan asteroid cluster with the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers made a startling discovery. Amid the rocky bodies of the L4 cluster, they detected a massive, smooth object, measuring over 115 kilometers in length. The object, now referred to as Trojan-1, is unlike anything we've seen before. Its cylindrical shape is too smooth and too uniform to be a natural asteroid. Early spectroscopic analysis suggests the surface is made of an advanced alloy, not the rocky or metallic material we would expect from an asteroid. Trojan-1 is enormous, far larger than any known spacecraft or natural object in the Trojan belt. And what makes it even more intriguing is that it doesn't appear to be rotating or tumbling like a typical asteroid. It's just sitting there, seemingly stationary, as if waiting for something. So what could Trojan-1 be? There are a few possibilities. Some scientists believe it could be a derelict spacecraft from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, long abandoned and drifting among the Trojan asteroids for eons. Its cylindrical shape resembles the concept of an O'Neill cylinder, a type of space habitat theorized to sustain life over long interstellar journeys. Others speculate that it may be a type of probe or even a colony ship sent by an unknown species to observe or perhaps intervene in the affairs of our solar system. The fact that Trojan-1 seems to be dormant only adds to the mystery. Could it have been left behind, forgotten, or is it still operational, waiting for something to trigger it? At this point, we simply don't know, but plans are already underway to send probes to Trojan-1 to investigate further. These missions could provide us with the answers we've been waiting for, or lead to even more questions. Trojan-1 presents us with one of the greatest mysteries of modern astronomy. Could it be the first sign of extraterrestrial life, or is it a relic of an ancient civilization that passed by long ago? Whatever it is, this discovery could change how we view our place in the universe forever. What do you think Trojan-1 could be? Leave your theories in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for updates as we learn more about this incredible discovery. And as always, stay curious.